Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel, Jor Drama Tips TV. I'm your Auntie Jor, or Jocelyn Oblero Ramirez, learning Ilocano or Ilocano tutorial. Of course, before we start, please subscribe and click the bell button for new updates. And if you're done, let's start. For today's video, or for today's vlog, we're going to take up two words, or one word with its opposite. We're going to master that. Another additional Ilocano. We will take up the word nalaka, and its opposite is narigat. So nalaka is easy. The other Ilocano word, nalaka, means cheap, nalaka. But we're going to take up the other meaning, easy. And the opposite word of nalaka is hard or difficult. So, we're going to give examples. Sentence examples. Number one, narigat the exam ita. Our exam today is difficult, or our exam today is hard. Either of the two. But sometimes hard is used when something that's like a stone or a wood that is hard. Number two example, nalaka ti aglangoy no ammom ti aglangoy. It's easy to swim if you know how to swim. Nalaka, easy. Next example, nalaka ti mangan no naimas ti makan. It's easy to eat if the food is delicious, or it's easy to eat with delicious food. These are the examples of the words nalaka and narigat. Opposite words, nalaka and narigat. Let's read and give the translations. Nalaka, easy. Naglaka, so easy. Nakalaklaka, so easy or very easy. Kalakaan, the easiest. Narigat, hard or difficult. Nagrigat, so hard. Nakarigrigat, so hard or very difficult. Karirigatan, most difficult. I'm sure you've learned something again. And of course, and as usual, if you've learned something, please subscribe and click the bell button for more new updates. And thank you so much for listening and watching. Hope you will also like to watch my next video and of course my other videos. Thank you so much. God bless and bye-bye.